Okay, good morning, students. This video is for those students who have missed or who had missed this morning's class. Alright, so for this morning class, we were looking at consumer arithmetic, calculating utility bills, and we started off with the telephone bill. So example number 1 states, calculate the monthly telephone bill for each person. So we're looking at Mr. Singh for today. Good. Now, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rows and 2 columns. Now, in the first row, it tells you the cost for the first 3 minutes of Mr. Singh's phone call. He would have paid $8.40. Now, for the additional minutes, cost per additional minutes, that means that Mr. Singh would have paid $5.30 for each additional minute. Now, the total number of minutes for Mr. Singh's call was 5 minutes, and his monthly charge, rental charge that is $45.60. And VAT means value added tax. Now, he would have paid, so this would have been 15%. And we're going to look at how do we use that 15%. So where the question mark is, that is exactly what we're trying to work out. So let's now look at how this is done. Now, here's Mr. Singh on his phone call. So Mr. Singh started his call at 10:33 a.m. and he ended his call at 10:38 a.m. So the total number of minutes that Mr. Singh spent on his phone call was 5 minutes. That's correct. Now, for the first 3 minutes of Mr. Singh's phone call, he would pay $8.40. Now, the remaining minutes, and to find the remaining minutes, what do you think we have to do? Okay, I believe you would have said you'd have subtracted the first 3 minutes from the 5 minutes, and then you'd have gotten what? 2 minutes remaining. So for each additional minute, he would pay $5.30. So therefore, we'll multiply it by 2. So 2 times the cost of 1 additional minute is $5.30. So when you multiply that, you get $10.60. Then now the monthly charge is $45.60. Our monthly rental charge, meaning that that's what he pays. He has to pay the rental charge every month. Good. Now, so you have 3 different charges here so far. So what are we going to do with those 3 charges? We're going to add the 3 charges. So $8.40 plus $10.60 plus $45.60. And the total charge before cost, or the monthly cost before tax, is $64.60. And you must do your calculation to ensure that I am correct as well. Now, the tax now, the VAT, value added tax, is equal to the monthly cost times the value added tax rate, and the rate is 15%. Good. So we have to write the monthly cost, which is $64.60, which is right here. You're going to multiply that by 0.15. Now you must be wondering how I get 0.15. Now 15%, which is up, let's go back to it again. 15%, this 15% here, I can simply write it as 15 over 100, and 15 over 100 is the same thing as 0.15. Alright? Now, so we multiply the $64.60 by 0.15, and our answer will be $9.69. So our final answer now, total charges is equal to monthly costs before tax plus tax, so the monthly cost is $64.60, and the tax is $9.69. And when we add those two figures now, we get our final answer, which is $74.29. So that number would go where the question mark is. So all you have to do now is just watch this video, make your notes, and then you proceed to the worksheet that you have there. All right? So that's all you missed. Please do my assignment. Thank you very much.